Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this video we are just going to be looking at one of the most accurate and powerful trading strategies, and that is the Braid Filter Indicator trading strategy. All right, so we're just going to be looking at the Braid Filter Indicator trading strategy, okay, known for its crazy high win rate. Now, if you're tired of choppy markets and false signals, this could be the game-changing strategy you've been looking for. Now, we need to understand what this indicator is, right? The Braid Filter Indicator is a dynamic tool that filters out false signals by combining multiple indicators in a way that reduces noise and highlights the most reliable setups. It's designed to provide information that can aid you with knowing good buy and sell opportunities, buy and sell price points. It does not give you exact entry points. All right, as you can see on the chart, this indicator does not give you exact entry points, but it gives you idea, based on based on the several indicators, that compounds in predicting the potential momentum in the market at a given time. For example, you can see that when this indicator starts showing lengthy bars, it means that the momentum is strongly bullish. When the green bars are short, it shows that there is bullish momentum, but not as strong. All right. So before you want to even consider entering a buy trade, make sure that the bars have crossed above this blue line. Any bar that remains below this blue line, do not look for any opportunity. All right, make sure the bars have crossed above the blue line, then you look for buy opportunities if the bars are green. But if the bars are red, you should be looking for sell opportunities. If the bars are gray, just stay out. All right, stay out of the market. It could be a reverse, it could be a consolidation phase, just like what we can see happening here. Right, so when the bars are green above the blue line, it's bullish momentum. The more the bars are longer, the lengthier the bars, the stronger the momentum. All right, when the bars are red, bearish momentum. The lengthier the bars, the stronger the momentum. All right, while the bars are gray, just stay out of the market. Okay, so setting up this indicator on TradingView is quite straightforward. Once you have added the indicator to your chart, you can actually decide to tweak the settings according to your taste. Let's just quickly go to the settings of the indicator so we can look at what we have there. You can set the MA type, the moving average type, right? You can see if you want to use EMA, DEMA, TEMA, WMA, VWMA, SMA, and all of that. There are different options. You can set the moving average type you want this indicator to use. You can also set the first period, the second period, the third period, and the pips mean set percent as well. All right, so you can modify this indicator according to your taste, according to your trading style, but the default settings actually work fine. All right, the default settings work fine. Now, concerning time frame, use lower time frames like the 1 minute or 5 minute chart. That is if you are a scalper. All right, for scalping you can use the 1 minute or the 5 minute chart. Then for longer time frames, you can use the 15 minute or the 1 hour chart for swing trades. So if you're a swing trader, you might want to focus on the 15 minute or the 1 hour chart. Okay. Now, with respect to signal sensitivity, all right, with respect to signal sensitivity, remember that the period settings affect the sensitivity of an indicator. Okay, so you can adjust the sensitivity to fit the asset that you are trading. Remember that the shorter the period, the faster the indicator reacts to price movement, and the longer the periods, the slower it reacts to price movement. So longer periods usually, make the indicator smoother. All right, I mean, it's reacts slower to price movements, and it's not exactly the option that scalpers will want to use. All right, now for volatile pairs, a higher sensitivity setting will give more frequent signals, while a lower sensitivity will focus on cleaner, more reliable setups. All right. So as you can see, the Braid filter uses a mix of trend following and momentum based indicators. So adjusting these filters allows you to focus on trending moves and avoid range bound market noise. All right. Once set up, you'll begin to see the indicators, activity, right? And the change of color alerting you to potential entry points, to key potential entry points. These signals can be used to enter both trend following and counter trend trades depending on the market conditions. All right. Now, when using the Braid filter indicator, focus on the following key signals. All right. Remember, I mentioned that the histogram bars must cross above this blue line. Make sure that you have that crossover. All right. It could signal the strength of that particular move. Okay. And of course, pay attention to color shifts as they indicate a change in market sentiment. A shift from red to green, for example, suggests bullish movement. A shift from green to red suggests bearish movement. All right. And make sure you always get price action confirmation. Always use the signals in conjunction with price action. A breakout above resistance, or a rejection at a support level around the support zone confirmed by the Braid filter signal could present a high quality trade. So pay attention to your price action. The strategy is built to minimize false signals, ensuring that you focus on high probability trades. When the Braid filter indicator aligns with key price levels like support, resistance, or moving averages, the setup becomes even more reliable. Now, this indicator is best in trending markets, okay? This indicator shines when there is a strong directional move in the market. If the market is choppy or consolidating, be cautious. And it works across all asset classes. Whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, the Braid filter can be applied effectively. It's especially useful on Forex pairs during the London and New York sessions, but it can also work for stocks during earnings reports or crypto during key market events. All right. Now, the indicator works best on lower to mid-range time frames like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and the 1 hour charts. All right. For longer term trades, make sure to adjust the settings for your specific needs. The Braid filter indicator trading strategy is one of the most reliable setups you can use for high win rate trading. Its ability to filter out false signals and combine multiple indicators into one powerful tool makes it an excellent an excellent addition to any trader's arsenal. Remember to adjust the settings based on the assets you are trading and always combine the signals with key price action for maximum effectiveness. Meanwhile, this indicator does not guarantee profit, okay? It might have a good chance of giving you good trade opportunities, but please set your expectations right. The indicator is not perfect, it's not 100% accurate, but it could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more strategies that can help you achieve consistent success in your trading. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Happy trading.